Hi, it's like 8 Legs UK, back with a unboxing video with the birthday gifts to me and my brother.
Obviously we choosing the ones we wanted, like
from the spider shop.
we're giving one, we're doing a swap as well for a tarantula for Avik as well. I'll show you anyway.
From the spider shop, already pre-opened the box. A sticker from the spider shop.
Yeah, because I have a picture of a skeleton tarantula. I don't know the Latin name, but
I think that's what they usually, isn't that what they usually stick on their mystery boxes or something?
yeah, it's a mystery box sticker, I think.
Oh, that usual picture of the
Green bottle blue. Super Bessons.
right, and nice packing peanuts. What I usually do. Don't grab hold of the truncheon. Okay, let's see the first one. Here we go. Here's one.
Which one is it?
Is it the type of the baboon?
Don't know, I can't see from them.
Is that a type of baboon?
Yeah, it's a baboon. It's one of the common name is a golden baboon. I don't know the Latin name, but they are closer species to the Darlingese, the closest, because they're from the same region as a Darlingese and the other species of in the same genus as the Darlingese.
We'll have to learn that Latin name.
Yeah. 2 to 3 centimetres. Bought 2 of these, I think. Well, I mean, family bought them for us.
He's a Darlingese now, actually. 7. Got an extra message on the back.
What? 7 legs.
That's only got 7 legs. I've got a Darlingese one, he has 7 legs.
Hold on, that's going to focus. Says on the back there.
Yeah.
7 legs. Sure, it'll grow it back. It depends what limit is lost. And there's number 1, Darlingese. There's another golden baboon as well, and there's another 2. Oh, more. So the bought is 8 slings altogether. Hold on.
Which one's that?
Our sister. Sorry.
Is that a blue fan?
It's hold on. One of the blue fangs, 2 centimetres.
I have to learn their Latin name as well. We've never had before, so. Yeah, there's another one. Second one. Second one.
That's number 2. We've actually made another video before this, like a feeding video, but we haven't put it on yet.
Yeah, 2 of the other Darlingese. Got 3 Darlingese. Was supposed to be 4, but the spider shop said they didn't have it.
Oh no, it's not focusing. There we go.
Was supposed to be 4 Darlingese, but spider shop said they didn't have a 4th one in, so we have to.
I'm quite annoyed about one's got missing leg. Like
they didn't tell us that in an email.
Might send Dean a message saying, "Do you want a golden baboon instead?"
He's got one of them.
Has it?
Not sure. You got your phone with you? Is that type of old world? Old world?
Show you a picture of the one next sling we're going to show you.
Type of Earth. It's a type of Earth tiger.
Hold on. Not quick. Don't do that nice. Yeah, that's the sort of Earth tiger we've got a sling. It's only 2 centimetres like. I know so many legs have got these in as well.
Was that one a burrowing fish?
No terrestrials, but make them sort of like tunnels, as you can see it. Like web tunnels.
Yeah, 2 centimetres.
But these are quite the medium growers, I think. They're fairly quick growers.
Yeah, we've got a 2 centimetre specimen of one of them, so I don't know how to show you that one because
Obviously, one's blue fangs we showed you is that one there. It's a sling, is very pretty as a sling and adulthood.
I'm the one of them with a goal.
Yeah,
They're sold out with that one.
still got him in.
Show a picture of that.
Oh, right.
How much is that? That's alright, isn't it? Yeah, so we've got 8 new slings all together.
Yeah, and that's a golden baboon now.
Just double check.
It says it's closest. That's really why it says it's closest to the darling there. It says it though.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm all in that box now, so. Well, probably like we're gonna do a rehousing, kind of like a part 2, just rehousing, just gonna rehousing new editions, we're gonna call it. So I hope you like this first part of the unboxing video. Please put thumbs up, subscribe if you like the video. Please make sure you have that notification bell on.
Press and smash that like button, please.
Have a great day or a great night wherever you are.
Bye now.
Bye.